What's up, you guys, and welcome to or back to another vlog. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I know. I've been slacking on the vlogs. I know. I have had vlog footage that I meant to release forever. Like, I'm still in the middle of the edit right now, but I just for some reason could not connect. I could not connect fully to that vlog and to that footage, and I know it's because I let it sit for too long, one, and two, because I was trying to make the vlog too long. It was like an hour and a half of footage, and it was going to turn into a 39-40 minute vlog, and what I'm realizing is I need to make it so that the vlogs are short, succinct, and they just get straight to the point, and it's not a bunch of in between rambling. I'm vlogging for 3 weeks, because that's what that was, and nobody wants to see that. So what I'm gonna do is put the highlights from that vlog in right here, and then we're gonna keep it moving.
So many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on I knew that by you being in my life, things were destined to change. Cause love, so many people you.
Now that we are all caught up, welcome. We are at the end of this pregnancy, and I don't want to fully neglect the vlog, my channel, on documenting this. I don't want to just go from, oh, you were pregnant, you announced a pregnancy, now we're at labor and delivery vlog. I at least want to capture these last couple of weeks, because I don't believe it's going to be much longer. We'll get into that tomorrow, because I have a doctor's appointment that makes a very big decision. I'll explain again tomorrow, but I just wanted to open this vlog on up. It's Sunday today, October. It's not even October. Y'all see what I'm saying? Like, my months are all over. It's November 23rd. It's almost December, and I was about to release September footage. But it's my niece's dedication day, so we just had church. I'm gonna do a little fit check right here, and then we are about to go to brunch, do all the normal things. I'm gonna go capture some content before we go to brunch, and then we're gonna be on our way, just getting to the hair. I love how this hair came out. I put 3 clip-ins in the front of it, and then I follow a style off of TikTok. Very tea, very cutesy. Let's go to brunch, and then I'm gonna catch up with y'all tomorrow on everything that's been going on medically and all things baby.
Throwing dirt on my old name only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on the pill, and I like.
Alright, we just popped into Marshall's because I gotta get my girl a blanket to, this is so cute, to complete her baby bag, or the hospital bag. So, about to scroll through these, see what we can find. This would be appropriate. Let's see. So these are the ones I narrowed it down to. I really like this one, but it doesn't feel the softest. But it has this side, and it feels soft. And then I love the way this one feels, but it's just plain. It's no design or nothing to it. And then this one is too cute as well. It's kind of like this one, with one side super soft. And then we have this one. Oh my goodness. I think I might have to get 2. But seeing all this baby stuff, it's just tears. Alright, we are reporting live from the laundry room. We got the stuff. Ended up going with the one with the pink bows. So cute. And the inside is so soft. And ended up going with the soft. And then when we were about to leave, I saw this one, and it was only $8. And I just love the texture of blankets like this, so I had to pick it up. How cute. And we're doing holiday pictures soon with some pajamas, and the pajamas have gingerbread on them as well. So if I'm not in labor on Christmas, then I will be able to match with my gingerbread pajamas, So now I'm gonna untag all of these and then wash them, and I'll check in with y'all tomorrow right before the doctor's appointment. Good morning, guys. It is now Monday, and we are getting the morning started. I'm making 2 different kinds of eggs because that's the era that I'm in my life. Who wants scrambled eggs? Who wants fried eggs? I'm drinking my raspberry leaf tea, and I'm also about to get started with my gentle birth doses for the day.
Mom,
this tincture, okay, I will. This tincture is supposed to help women not go into labor quicker, but once you're in labor, it's supposed to help push the baby out quicker. It does not taste good, but it does not matter. If it gets this baby out quick and I'm not pushing as long, then it'll be worth it. So I'm just making us some egg sandwiches before we go to the doctor. I'm gonna tell y'all the tease about the doctor's appointment whenever we get in the car. I'm really excited about this appointment, but also just a little bit anxious because it's a big decision day. Boog is over here in the lab. She does these videos called directed draws, and she's so good at them.
Today I'm doing cakey from Gabby's dog.
Period. Real quick, as we are pulling up to the doctor, because I'm rushing a little bit, the slow morning turned into rushing somehow, some way, but it's fine. Basically, what's happening is this baby is measuring 2 weeks ahead. So while I'm 35 weeks on paper today, I'm really measuring like 37 weeks. And if you've been around for a while, you know that's when Alani came. So I don't tend to go 40 weeks. So they're doing an ultrasound today to decide if they're going to schedule an induction. This is the first time that I've been in this scenario where they actually had to schedule. If they do that, and if they do, then the dates that they're considering are Christmas Day. So I'm going to ask either for the day after Christmas, or if we can do like Christmas evening so that I can have the morning with the kids. So that's why I was saying this is a big decision day. So we're about to get in here, see what happens. There's no parking. My appointment is in 3 minutes, and we're just doing the best that we can. So stay tuned, friends. Ooh, Lord, open up a spot. Oh, here we go. Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
Guys, I do realize I did not come back for y'all the other day after the doctor, so I am here now. It's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. By the time y'all see this, Thanksgiving will have passed, and I hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving. So let's do this takedown while I give y'all the update from the doctor. So you want to say hi?
Yes, I want to tell them the update from the doctor. Today's Thanksgiving, and I want to tell you what happened at the doctor. So, you know how AJ's measuring a few weeks ahead, very big belly. They said the day after Christmas, Mommy was going to get induced. But we think she's going to come on her own, like I did. So, we don't know.
And there you have it, guys. My induction date is officially scheduled for December 26th at 7:30, a 2-part induction. Again, that's a first for me. I'm not really trying to do that. I'm not trying to do the Pitocin business again, especially after Eli. If you know, you know.
She takes this medicine that helps her push out AJ, but I don't think she should be taking that.
Yeah, I'm not trying to do that. So I'm 35 weeks today, but because I'm measuring 2 weeks ahead, it's almost like I'm 37 weeks today. So in about 2 weeks, I'm going to start trying some natural methods to see if she's ready to come on her own before they try to force it. And we're going to see what happens. We are about to go to Thanksgiving dinner. I stayed up late last night doing the express quick weave. We're taking PJ photos on Saturday, and I just wanted something like this for the pictures, only to take it out on Monday or Tuesday because labor braids have to come. I got to finish my last few collabs before the baby comes, and we got to get to it. But I'm super pleased with how it came out. This is the same hair I used last year around this time for a YG Wigs collab, and I reused it, same cuts and all. It's doing what it needs to do. Pop, you want to say hi?
My brother. This is my brother.
Say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yo. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, guys. What are y'all doing for Christmas, for Thanksgiving? Comment down below.
Got the granny sweet potato pies in here. It's go time, and me and my kids ain't eat since breakfast. So every calorie that we're about to eat, we earned it. Do you hear me? Let's get it.
Still love, and still love, and still love, and still love, still love, still love, and still.
What's up, you guys? It's now the day after Thanksgiving, and I am currently on my way to get my toes done. They have been looking trifling. I keep telling myself, girl, if you go into labor like this, you're gonna be embarrassed. Go get your life together. So I'm about to go handle that. Also, I ordered an Instacart order to give my spoiled behind cousins sweet potato casserole. They are asking me to make last minute. I ordered the groceries for Instacart. They bought everything except the sweet potatoes, so I wasted my money. Now I'm about to go to the store, see if I can find some sweet potatoes. I know I'm trying my luck the day after Thanksgiving, but hey, let's see what we can find. And then I'm gonna get my toes done. I'm finishing up some content that I have to submit by tonight, so I'm gonna finish that while I'm getting my toes done, and then we're gonna come back, hopefully make the sweet potato casserole, tighten up this content, send it on its way, and then go enjoy cousins night. So let's get it. Also, I tried the heatless rollers that the TikTok girls be doing, where you roll it up together in the front, the bang pieces, and then all over, and ooh, I'm a fan. I'm getting some bananas for my prenatal smoothies, but why are they so long? My God, they are abnormal today. I'm gonna just try my luck. Shout out Publix, they got what we need. I really wanted to get that out of the way before I got my toes done, because I did not want to be worrying about it while I was in a chair. I just want to like chill. I grabbed a little salad, but it got salmon on it and it's cold, so I'm gonna wait till I get home to eat that. But now I can get the polish changer in peace, knowing I secured the sweet potatoes. The little salad that I ordered. I went crazy for breakfast and I know I'm going crazy for dinner at cousins night, so I said let me keep it cute for the in-between. But I hope this salad is not about to play in my face. I'm gonna put the salmon in the air fryer and hope for the best. Sweet potatoes going crazy in the back. I just made my date smoothie. If you're not new here, then you know last time with Eli we did this, and I don't know if I ever reported back about these smoothies, but Eli was out in 30 minutes or less, so I'm running it back. I'm also heavy on my raspberry leaf tea right now and my gentle birth tincture. That's the trio that I'm doing right now. Raspberry leaf tea, gentle birth tincture, and date smoothies. Let's see if it's about what it's talking about. That plus this being my third kid. I don't know. It's giving. We need to make it to the hospital. It's giving that. But it's giving once we get there and once I get that good old epidural, that good old epidural, then we can push this baby out in 10 minutes. Yeah, speaking it into existence. Come on, Lord, you hear me. All right. I'll be back for cousins night. I'm going to throw in some clips, and then we're going to come back tomorrow for our PJs photo shoot. And then we're going to close this vlog out on a Sunday, because I need to finish this vlog. I got to do it. I got to get back to vlogging while I'm here. I'm in the process of doing my last hair collabs. Like, I'm getting my labor braids on December 7th. It's November 28th. My last shipment should get here next week. I need to knock those out, because when these braids go in, I'm not doing any more hair videos until after the baby is here. Hopefully it won't be long after she's here till I can get back to it, but I need to get these labor braids in so that I'm not looking crazy when it's time to go to the hospital. Also, before we go, I forgot to see what this salad was giving with y'all. It's cute. It's gonna get the job done. I mean, it's not like the one I would make in the kitchen, but you know. But quick on the go, we're not mad. Thank you for coming with me today. I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. If so, leave some love in the comments. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow.
This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. This time around, but I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play ways. Got ways too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Sorry for the weird angle, but we're about to take holiday pictures real quick. I can't take y'all in with me, so I'll put the pictures in whenever I can. We got on our pajamas. We ready to do it, right?
I don't know.
You don't know if you're ready?
Sure.
Got it.
Eli's still asleep. That's why it's so quiet in here.
We're about to get to it. Woke up feeling like pure trash today, but we had to show up.
Peace out.
Let's do it.
Peace. I can't reach it. Daddy.
This was our set. Just like that, it's a wrap. They did so good.
Oh, go ahead. Go.
Come on, Eli.
Go, Ela.
What'd you think?
They did great.
Like this place, right?
Yeah, she was incredible.
She woke Eli up.
Highly recommend. She definitely did because he wasn't feeling it at all.
And then he didn't want to stop taking pictures.
And she did. She probably has kids.
Yeah, for sure.
So, but they did great. So, highly recommend.
Hi friends, it is officially December. I cannot believe December is here and I'm so glad to see it come all at the same time. I'm checking in to close out this vlog. Today's Monday. If you made it thus far, then you heard me say when we went to take our photo shoot on Saturday that I woke up feeling really bad. My throat was so sore. Basically the whole house was down for the rest of Saturday. All day yesterday. We just pretty much all day today until I went to get my labor nails. Labor nails activated. They are so short. They are so round and baby friendly. But we're here, we're doing it. I'm about to take my hair out. My friend opened a head spa, so I'm going to support her tomorrow and also to get like my last self-care moment in before I get my labor raise this weekend. So I'm excited about that, and I'm also excited because we made it through a vlog. The whole vlog is edited. All I gotta do is add this clip in and then 1, 2, 3, release them. I just finished filming some short form content, about to snatch this off, get ready for my head spa appointment tomorrow. I don't want to let this hair go, but it's fine. It can come back whenever. Productive week ahead, but we'll get to that in the next vlog. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you missed the vlogs, let me know in the comments below. And it won't be long before we're back with another one. Well, I ain't gonna say how long it's gonna be, because these days it's so unpredictable. We might be in labor and delivery in the next vlog, who knows. But thank y'all for rocking with me. Love y'all real bad, and I will talk to y'all soon. I'm out of breath. Ooh. I'll see y'all in the next video. Later.